Welcome to another recipe. Today we are making shakshuka. Let's begin. Heat a pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add 3 cloves of garlic. Saute until light brown. Now you can add in 1 large chopped white onion and 1 large chopped bell pepper and saute until soft and tender. Add 2 tablespoons tomato paste and mix. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix well. Once the spices let out the raw smell, you can add in 1 canned tomato. Let it simmer for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Once simmered, crack 4 eggs into the sauce, leaving a little space in between them. Then put the lid on and let it steam for about 6 to 7 minutes. Add some salt to taste. Lastly, garnish with fresh parsley and coriander leaves. Our shakshuka is ready to be served. Enjoy! For more amazing recipes, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Or you can visit us at lookandcook.com.